Hey guys, it's your girl Addie, and today my voice is a little bit hoarse. I have a cold, but we're gonna get through this. We're making el alacepo, also known as okra soup. Let's get cooking. The ingredients for this soup are very simple: onion, bell pepper, habanero pepper, lotus beans, also known as iru, and okra. That's it. You can use any meat of your choice. Today I'm going to be using kare, snail, goat meat, and shrimp. First, we need to make our base. It's a pepper base, and the first thing I do is I blend my onions very smooth. Then I add my bell pepper, and then I add my habanero pepper. I blend it very smooth. Because I am a lazy somebody, I have already cut up some okra, about 3 bags of okra, and frozen it. But I also like fresh okra, so I am cutting this into about a medium-sized chunks so that I can have that chunky okra. I like my okra soup very crunchy, so that is how I cut it. Big slices, big dices. I just like okra, and this is one of my favorite soup. Next, we're going to work on our base. You're going to boil the pepper until the water is gone. Then we're going to put oil on the fire, get it really hot. Pour in your iru because it gives you that aroma that is so delicious. And let it fry until it's well done brown before you even pour in your base. This not only enhances the flavor, it just gives it that delicious aroma that we all love. Once you fry the iru to your desired texture, pour in your base. Let it cook for a little bit, then pour in the meats. And what I like to do is I like the base and the meat to cook for a little bit before I even start seasoning, just to really extract that flavor from the meat. For my seasoning, I'm keeping it super simple. Salt and Maggi, wallahi, that's all you need. People wonder why their soup don't draw, and that's because they're over seasoning. They're just doing too much. All you need is salt, and I'm using sea salt. And for my Maggi, I'm using 2 cubes of crayfish Maggi. That's the shrimp flavored Maggi. Stir it together and let it cook. Let the flavor mix together before you even put in your okra. Let it cook to your desired flavor. Then you pour in your okra. It looks like I'm using a little bit, but I'm using a lot of okra. I actually used about 2 bags of okra to make my soup because I really like okra. Like, I eat okra morning, noon, and night if I could. Go ahead and stir in the sauce with the okra. Make sure that the okra and the sauce stirs in very well. Blend it in very well. Soak up all that sauce and all that pepper from around the corner. And then we're going to put crayfish, just blended crayfish. And if you want, you can put the whole crayfish as well. But because I already have shrimp going in here, I'm just using the blended crayfish. And the flavor really enhances the soup. The last thing I'm going to put is my shrimp because I want that seafood flavor as well. So I'm going to put on my shrimp when it's almost done, stir it in, and just cook for maybe about not even up to 5 minutes. This soup cooks really quickly, so you have to have everything ready to go. That's why I do a lot of ingredient preps so that I'm just pouring it in and I'm going. You don't want to overcook your ila or else it will not draw like you want, and you're going to have to like put a bono in it or something, and that completely changes the flavor. Looks like we're almost done. At this point, you can take your illa off the stove and let it cool and relax for about 10 minutes. Then serve. Doesn't that look amazing? Ah, serve this with eba, amala, inyo, or whatever the hell you want to. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.